And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you a new way to put video in text. At least this way was new to me, I just learned it this week. Let us create a background first. Right click in my project menu, new item, black video. I'll use the typical size for YouTube videos, 1920 x 1080. I press on OK and drag it into my timeline. I'll use the type tool and type on my preview window. Let me just call it night, because I want to put some night footage of a city inside of it, and I size it up. Let me switch to the graphics menu. I go to edit, I center it, and here you can adjust the text. I'm fine with the font and all of its elements. Just click on this new layer icon and then use, for example, from file. And I'm going to use a video clip that I've downloaded. As I've said, it's night footage of a city. You'll find that in the description link below. Make sure that this layer is below your text. So the text is on top and the night footage is below. Then activate the text and you can mask it down here. Just check the box, mask from text, and you can still edit it in this graphics layout. Let me switch back to the editing. When you now resize this element, be careful. I'll roll the clip and you can see there is the footage inside of the text, but around 6 seconds it ends. The simple reason is the footage only lasts for 6 seconds, so don't get confused here and don't treat this element like a regular element. You need to be sure that it's only as long as the footage that's on the layer below the text. But this is yet another way to put video in text in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.